Hey guys, Timon with the Muntz Family Homestead. Going to be showing you today how to build a couple of sawhorses out of the lumber that we repurposed. We're going to upcycle that. You know, I keep saying recycle, but it's upcycle. But keep watching the video. First thing we're going to do is just square up all the lumber. All of these that are yellow and purple and natural colors, we're just going to square those up right quick. As you see, I've lost a clip from my cutoff saw, so be very careful when you're doing this. I know the guard's supposed to be down there, and this actually lifts the guard up, but most everything today is closed because it's Veterans Day. Okay, these are only 79¼ inches long. Usually build them about 43 inches, 40 to 43 inches, 44 inches wide. But I'm going to do these on 36. That way I won't have to buy any more lumber. 36 will be 3 feet, and these are plenty long enough to get 2 out of, and I'll show you the rest of that. So we'll mark this one on 36. Over to the chop saw. And now we have 36 inches, and we're going to do 6 of those like that. And I'll show you how to put them together. My wife doesn't like being on video very much, so we're going to sneak around. And she has cleaned off the deck. Now she's actually cleaning out from under the deck. And she's hiding. Okay guys, what we'll do is we'll take 3 of these. We'll take 2 and stand up and go kind of to the middle. Like, I mean, it doesn't have to be actually perfect, but line it up the best you can, eyeball. And I've got some 3-inch deck screws that we're going to build this with. Okay, then we'll go to the other side. Same thing. And for those of you that have never built any sawhorses, you're looking at this like, what in the world? It's like an H-beam, doesn't it? And what we'll do is we'll take these and make the 4 legs out of. What you'll do is put those under there, kind of like yay, and then you don't really toenail anymore with screws, you toe screw, I guess what you call it, or something to that effect. We'll put those like that. We'll go into here, we'll put 1 from the back side, then we'll put 3 more around, and we'll have a completed sawhorse. Now, you have half of a sawhorse. So when we get the other legs over here, it'll stand up and hopefully be correct. Maybe if not, we'll start over. And there you go, guys, a completed sawhorse. Now, for this to work properly, you have to have 2 sawhorses. I did not have enough lumber, recycled, upcycled, renewable lumber. So I will have to go and get a piece. I think I've still got some treated in the barn, so let me grab a couple pieces of those and we'll finish it up. You've got a set of multicolored, multi-purpose sawhorses. So now we have to get on the project that these were built for.